Hello everyone, welcome back to another Fired Up Friday. So what's the best way to get a fire going? Well, I think most of us will agree that some good fat wood is a great natural way to do it. Now there's a ton of other fire starters out there and they all work well. But how are you going to ignite it? You're going to have a ferro rod, maybe a fire piston, maybe some flint and steel. Well, to be honest with you, any of those methods will work. But you should always have some type of sure fire. Now, you may remember this. I'll put a link in the description where I made this lighter, brass and aluminum. And always carry sure fire with you. Because there's no doubt you'll get it going. Oh yeah. Woo! Hello there, Mr. Fire. Man, I'm getting smoked out here. It's a smoking. Wow. There's some potent stuff. Potent stuff. Let me see if I could. You ready? Look at the smoke coming off of that. Want to see that again? Man! Heavy duty fat wood. Well, there you go, folks. Another Fired Up Friday. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Always carry sure fire with you. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope you all are doing very well. I appreciate you all coming. Like I always say, it warms my heart. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.